Newbie gang, what it do? It's your man, Keem the new kid, back at y'all with one more video. Today, gonna be a little bit of a vlog. I'm gonna be cleaning out my car. As some of you guys may know, I work 2 jobs and I don't have a lot of time to take care of the interior, as you guys might be able to see today. So without any further ado, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get on the road and we'll see what happens. Oh, that is a terrible way to park. Stupid maraca. What does that mean? I don't even know what language that is. I know it's from GTA, but let's slow down. I'll let this person go. And it's pretty much straight on from here. I'm trying to get you guys a good angle, and I'm trying to be mindful of where my head is pointing at. But like, I'm 6'4". There's not much I can do, you guys. I'm gonna just do my best. You gotta be careful on streets like this. There's a lot of pedestrians. Oh, and I gotta get gas too. Fuck. Almost at half a tank, I just now realized. SRT, what is that? I can't quite tell. Yo, you are wildin'. Yo, what the what was that? Oh my gosh. Is this why my insurance rate is so high? My insurance rate monthly is a cool $500 DZ. I know I'm a new driver, but shit. Here we go, right into here. Oh my gosh. How is it this crowded at this time of day? Oh my God, my hands are ashy. All right. Ooh, my hands are ashy. Man, definitely need some lotion after that. Some sort of moisturizer. Oh my God. Right, it's time for us to get the hell out of here. I will say, despite this vehicle's size, I do forget how good the turning circle is for its size. We're talking about a car with 8 seats. Now, I don't know if it can necessarily seat 8 people, but it has 8 seats. I think from here, I'm gonna just get something to eat and then call it a video. I'll wrap it up there. Hey, I got one of those, Cuddy. On this street, I gotta watch out for people jumping out in the middle of the street. People and cars. Oh, I did want to tell the story. Today marks a year since I've gotten my driver's license. Well, almost a year. Next week will be. But I figured I'd tell this story. Take the time to tell this story. So the journey to me getting my license, right? I got my license when I was 22 years old, and it started the summer after I graduated college. And I went to this driving school. Well, first it was my mom teaching me. Jesus Christ, dude. Get the fuck out the street. Move, move, move. First it was my mom who was teaching me using her car because I had just gotten my permit while I was in college. And then she wasn't really teaching me anymore, so I had to find a driving school. And I went there for a few lessons, took my road test in October, and I failed. I was doing good until I took a left turn right on this very street, actually. And we're gonna pass the street coming up. It's not this light, but the light ahead of it. I made a turn this way onto that street, and I had made the turn a little too tight for her liking, and she marked it a near collision and an automatic failure. And I was like, what the hell? So I was like, okay. And then people were telling me, yo, never take a road test in Brockton, never take a road test in Brockton. And I guess I should have known better because they had gotten busted for a scandal where they were just handing people licenses, where people were, I think, paying for their licenses, and they got busted for it, and they've been uptight about it ever since. And yeah, if you're in Massachusetts or Eastern Mass, take a road test anywhere else. Plymouth, I think Taunton has an RMV, Braintree, Walpole, anywhere but Brockton or Boston. I wouldn't want to take a road test in Boston either. Yeah, just don't do. I took my road test the second time in Braintree, and that went a lot smoother. I found a driving school out there. It was a Toyota Camry, 2018, I think, Toyota Camry hybrid. And yeah, they the driving instructor, he said, oh, don't worry, I'm gonna be with you during the exam. But when I took the exam, it was a completely different instructor in the car with me. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck is this? Like, what is this malarkey that's going on here? And I'm like, bro was lying to me. So anyways, I did what I had to do. They passed me and got my license, what was it, a week or two later. And yeah, the rest is history. Got this car about a month or so after, and I've just been driving ever since. I don't know. And apparently with that Brockton scandal as well, people were, people that passed the exam during the time that those free licenses were given out, they had to retake their road test. And then people were failing, and then they were just picking and choosing who they wanted to fail and who they wanted to pass. It was a whole bunch of shit going down in there. Man, I should have known better. I should have known better than to waste my time taking a road test in Brockton. What the fuck was I thinking? I mean, I guess convenience, but even if you don't have a car, Braintree isn't that hard to get to from Brockton. You know, you have the commuter rail, you have, I don't think the Bat Bus goes to Braintree, but yeah. Is that in the Barth 500? It looks like it. Damn, that's crazy. I want a hot hatch so bad. Either a 500 at Barth or a Golf GTI. Oh, another thing I will say about taking the road test twice, having to do it twice, is that, I don't know, I feel like it's good that I failed it the first time in a way, because now I got all the nerves out and I don't have to worry about being this perfect driver, and I can just go out and drive, you know, without worrying about perfection. Yeah, I think that's good that I get all the nerves. I don't want to go out there and think that, oh, it's not okay to ever make a mistake while you're on the road. Like, no, I'm a new driver. I'm a fuck up a few times. You're not gonna coach me or teach me that making a mistake as a new driver is not good. It's a part of driving. You know, even experienced drivers fuck up all the time. It is what it is. Yo, this shorty behind me kind of bad though. I ain't gonna lie. You know what? Relax, Keem. Focus on the road. Focus on the fucking road. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. I notice around this corner, people sometimes like to go over the double mustard, which is not okay and completely unnecessary. Oh, whoa, what are you doing, CUZZO? Nah, what the yo. Almost got me into a goddamn accident. I think I'll make it right here. Oh, I got one of those, CUZZO. I got one of those. All right, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna go get something to eat because I am hungry. Not like the country. Rhyming accidentally. Shout out Chris Smooth. Anyways, if you guys like what you see, hit the like button. Comment down below if you're new. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. Drive safe and take care.